The Amazon awakens not with sound, but with breath. Before the first call of a bird, before movement reveals itself, the forest exhales. A soft mist drifts above the canopy, suspended in the warm air like a living veil. Below it, millions of leaves wait, layered and still, holding the memory of the night that has just passed. From above, the Amazon stretches endlessly, a continuous sea of green, unbroken, ancient, and alive. This is not just a forest, it is a world. Closer now, the forest floor stirs. Leaves shift almost imperceptibly as air moves between trunks. Moist soil darkens beneath towering trees, holding the imprint of countless lives that have passed through. Dew clings to every surface, each droplet catching the light, briefly glowing before slipping away. Nothing appears at once. The Amazon reveals itself slowly. A subtle tremor passes through the foliage. Not alarm, presence. From the dense greenery, a form begins to take shape. Spots blend with shadow. Muscle moves beneath patterned fur. The jaguar emerges, silent, controlled, unhurried. Each step is measured, paws pressing softly into damp earth. This is not a hunt, it is a passage. The jaguar moves as part of the forest, not against it, body flowing through light and shade as if sculpted by the jungle itself. Sunbeams briefly trace its form before releasing it back into shadow. Up above, life watches. Birds rest among layered branches, feathers catching hints of color as the light strengthens. Some preen slowly, others remain still, conserving energy. A second bird lands nearby, wings folding with care. No urgency, only rhythm. The canopy stretches upward, revealing scale beyond comprehension. Branches weave together like architecture, grown, not built. High above the forest floor, monkeys move along narrow paths of wood and leaf. One sits quietly, framed by sky and green. Another reaches for fruit, fingers curling, peeling, tasting, chewing slowly, eyes relaxed. Above them, movement passes, a brief crossing, then gone. The forest never empties, it shifts. High above the forest floor, where light filters differently and the air moves freely, another world exists, the canopy. Here, branches form pathways, narrow, swaying bridges shaped by time. For the monkeys of the Amazon, this is home. A single figure sits quietly against the sky, fur catching soft light as the jungle stretches endlessly behind. Stillness is not absence here, it is awareness. Slowly, a hand reaches forward. Fingers curl around fruit, practiced and precise. The peel comes away in patient motions, each movement unhurried, intentional. crocodile waits. Stillness defines it. Only the faint motion of water betrays its presence. Slowly, deliberately, it glides forward, tail guiding the body with minimal effort. Plants part, then settle again. Moments later, the river returns to calm. Deeper within the forest, the ground cools and darkens. Leaves gather in thick layers, muffling sound. From beneath them, scales catch soft light. An anaconda moves, heavy, unrushed. Its body slides forward with quiet authority, foliage yielding to its passage. No sudden motion, no resistance. When the tail disappears into shadow, the leaves gently fall back into place, as if nothing passed at all. The anaconda moves, not with speed, but with certainty. Scales catch the softest traces of light filtering through leaves. Each motion presses gently into the earth, heavy, controlled, deliberate. No struggle, no disruption. The forest adjusts. Leaves part quietly. Twigs shift, then rest again. Nothing is broken. Nothing is rushed. The head passes through the frame, calm, grounded, aware. This is not a hunt. It is presence. As the final length of its body disappears into shadow, the forest floor settles back into stillness as if nothing had passed at all. But the forest remembers. In the Amazon, true power does not announce itself. It moves slowly and leaves silence behind. High in the branches of the Amazon, where light arrives first and lingers longest, the forest takes flight. The birds of the Amazon are not visitors, they are residents of the upper world. More than 1,000 species share this airspace, each adapted to a precise height, diet, and rhythm of life. Perched quietly on a branch, bright feathers are not decoration, they are signals used to communicate health, territory, and identity across dense layers of leaves. A slow blink, a slight tilt of the head. Even in stillness, these birds are listening. Many species spend hours without movement, conserving energy while observing everything below. From this height, danger arrives early and opportunity arrives often. Life continues in balance. These heights offer safety, perspective, and abundance. From here, the forest reveals its scale, trunks falling away beneath, rivers glinting far below, sound softened by distance and leaf. As the monkey moves on, the branch returns to stillness. Leaves sway once, then settle. But the canopy does not empty. It waits. Because in the Amazon, even the quiet moments are full of life. As the light fades, the Amazon does not sleep. It changes. Shadows deepen, temperatures cool, sounds soften, then rearrange themselves. Life continues just beyond what we can see. This forest is not chaos. It is order, refined over millions of years. Every jaguar, every bird, every reptile and insect occupies a precise place in a system built on balance. Remove one thread, and the pattern begins to weaken.
Protecting the Amazon does not begin here in the jungle. It begins far away, in the choices we make, in the resources we consume, in the voices we support. Conservation is not about stopping progress. It is about choosing a future where progress and nature exist together. Supporting sustainable practices, protecting indigenous lands, and respecting wildlife are not distant ideals, they are necessary actions. Because once a forest like this is gone, it cannot be replaced. As night fully settles, mist rises once more from the river, the canopy becomes a silhouette against the sky, life continues quietly, as it always has. This is the Amazon, a living system, a shared responsibility. Thank you for taking this journey, thank you for slowing down. And thank you for listening. Until next time, may this forest remain wild, and may we remain worthy of it.